Okay, Vlad, on this 8038, I checked it, and it says apply a table style of your choice. What that means is kind of go here, and then go to table, and choose one of these table styles right here, whatever you want. Doesn't matter, this is your document I have open. So you could do something like that if you want. Doesn't really matter. So just choose one of these, whatever you want. Well, this one, you can see how it changes the different. You can do that one. So that's what it's referring to, because I noticed some of your formatting is off. Okay, and then it says to center align. How you do that is go to layout. Right? Go to page setup, go to layout, and right here where it says vertical alignment, you actually want to click on center, and it will do your vertical alignment. Then you want to go back to home and do the center. Did hit center, right? Yeah, click your table first. And it will do center there. Then when it talks, because I know you're formatting, there's quite a few errors. Try to keep them all within 2. Okay? And it says, what one is it? In row 2, align the column headings at the bottom center. So what that means, like highlight it. Go up here to table tools. Let's see, where is it? Let me think a minute. Let's see, table tools. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, layout. Yeah. Go to layout right here. And then when it says, what does it say? The bottom center. So right here, these kind of are self-explanatory because align top left. And when it says align bottom center, that's what that means. And I think that was it as far as all of your is set to top instead of center. Text in row 2. Oh, it's not bolded. Text in row 2 in the table is not bold. So just go back and read these others and make sure you bold that the text that they're asking to bold. I think you know how to do bold. Okay. All right. And that one for the $sign. Okay, for the $sign. These $signs in the column need to add up, or align rather. So I think if you do it with my vision, oops, my bad. Okay, so make sure these are right aligned. Here. It's this one. Okay. Remember to always do the back. Okay, and if you just do a space and make sure those are aligned, those $signs, I think that looks aligned. You can also check up here with this $sign where it's saying right here at 4.4, and you can see the other one is about, you know, if they are aligned right there. 7-1. Okay, so I think it's 1 or 2 spaces. All right, that should help you. Okay.